She my number one, I don't need nothing on the side.
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. As you can tell by the title of the video, y'all, we got another haul, honey. Lord, I was not gonna do a haul because I feel people judgy, beady eyes judging me. Like, didn't you just do a haul? Yes, I just did a haul. It doesn't matter. Just let me haul it so you can see if you like it, and then you can go get you some too, so we can share thoughts on it. I mean, that was okay. That's not why I bought it, but it really is. Anyway, so it's another damn haul, y'all. Oh my god, like, fix it, Jesus. Anywho, I wanted to show y'all all of the new goodies I picked up before I start cracking them open per usual. I'm going to try to separate this haul into skincare and makeup because I did get a few skincare items, so I wanted to share that with you all. Girl, is your boobies out? Lord, fix yourself, Jesus. If you all would like to see what I picked up this time, again, then stay tuned. This is going to be a long haul, y'all. So grab your wine, grab a snack, some popcorn, some chips. Like, it may be a lengthy haul. Hopefully I can like chop it down and make it smaller. But like, looking at it, I won't be doing any type of swatches or anything, but grab a snack, grab a drink, grab a juice. I don't really know. Get comfortable, okay? So first I want to show you all some skincare items that I picked up. I wanted to change my skincare regimen up because I feel like the stuff that I was using or the things that I was using was not helping me, because I was still, I mean, I don't expect to not break out at all, but I have been having an issue with like blackheads on my chin, and like I keep having like stuff that wants to grow in the middle of my forehead. So I just wanted to switch some stuff up and see how this works. I picked up some items from Ulta during their 20% off sale. Y'all know I love a good sale. But they had the 20% off for, I'm not sure if it was for just platinum members, but I was able to pick up a few items, so I decided to get some skincare because I have plenty of makeup. So I picked up these two items from Murad. This one is the Anti-Aging Acne Time Release Acne Cleanser. This says it helps clear blemishes and purify skin without over drying. I picked this because it says that it was good for oily skin. I don't classify my skin particularly as acne prone or acne type of skin, but I've been breaking out lately. So, and this has 0.5% salicylic acid in it, which is good for any type of blemishes. But I wanted to pick this up just to see if this will work pretty good for me. And I also picked up this toner that goes along with it. It's a clarifying toner that controls oil. So I picked that up because, again, the summertime is coming, honey, and I don't want to be caught out here slipping. Point blank period. It says that it controls oil, refreshes skin, and tightens the appearance of pores. So I have pore issues here on my cheek. Not too bad. Not as bad as it used to be, but I wanted to pick something up that went hand in hand with the cleanser, not like two separate brands. So I picked this toner up. Again, this is just used to remove any type of oil or impurities, like after you cleanse your face, if anything is left over. So I picked this up, and because I purchased those two, I have a moisturizer already that I use, but the lady at Ulta gave me the oil control mattifier, and I'm gonna just try that out, just a little small sample, so we'll see how that works. Speaking of moisturizers, I went ahead and picked up me another Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb. I've been using the Moisture Bomb for the wintertime. It's getting warm outside, y'all. It's hot outside right now. This is the third Belief moisturizer that I have used, and I love their products. This Aqua Bomb is perfect for oily skin. If you have oily skin and summertime is coming up, this is your moisturizer. It is a little pricey. It was $38, but Sephora was having a 15% off VIB Rouge sale. But let me tell you something. Learn how to shop when there is a sale. You understand what I'm saying? I'm trying to tell you. This is amazing. This is an amazing product. This one is a gel, and it is amazing for oily skin during the summertime. So I picked another one of those up. I didn't want to use the same moisturizer because I'm used to this moisturizer. That's the reason why I picked this one up versus like the Murad one, but we'll see how they all work together. The next skincare product I picked up is the UFO Ultra Clarifying Acne Treatment Face Oil. This is for any type of acne or blackheads. This also has 1.5% salicylic acid. I cannot say that fast. It is a dry oil. It's supposed to help with like congested pores for smoother blemish-free skin. The reason why I picked this up, because it's dumb expensive, y'all. Because I picked this up because I had a sample of it from Sephora, or I had something from my points, I believe, that I purchased with my points. This works so good on like blemishes and just like basically like getting rid of it. Like I can put this on my face at night and not have to, and like the next morning like a blemish is smoothing out. You understand what I'm saying? Like, so I picked this up. Again, it's the UFO Ultra Clarifying Acne Treatment Face Oil by Sunday Riley. I don't think I said that. And I got the smallest size, because the biggest size is expensive. It has the craziest smell, but when I tell you, if something this medicated will smooth out a blemish, I'm gonna use. This is something that you won't be using up anytime soon. Like, a little bit goes a long way. So I picked this up. Lastly, for skincare, I picked up this facial brush by Michael Todd Beauty. This is the Sonicare Petite. This is just a facial brush. I had purchased a Clarisonic off of eBay like a while ago, and it just stopped working. It won't even charge. I was like, forget it, I'm not buying another facial brush. But then I had been researching Michael Todd for a while, and I just hadn't purchased anything from the company before. I heard that their facial brush is better than any top facial brush on the market, so I wanted to try it out. It does have an antimicrobial facial brush, which means it won't hold in, you know, bacteria on the brush head. I mean, of course you have to clean it, but it won't hold in any bacteria. I haven't used this, so if y'all want a review on it, just let me know. It comes with this charger here. It comes in this case here, and that's like perfect for traveling. This is the color I got. These brush heads, I believe, are like $18 to replace, so that's not bad at all. As I stated before, the brush head is antimicrobial. And it protects against stain and odor causing bacteria. So you don't have to worry about, you know, when you clean your face, it being stained or anything like that. You do have to wash it with warm soapy water after you use it. It recommends that you change this brush head every 6 months. So if you all want to see a review on this after I, you know, get adjusted to it, just let me know, and I'll definitely put that up for y'all, because I need to do a skincare video. I've been talking about doing a skincare video since I got on YouTube. Lord, come on now. Those were all of the skincare items that I picked up. I'm going to go ahead and jump into some makeup items. First, I did pick up a new sponge from EcoTools. This is the Total Perfecting Blender. And I wanted to try this out. I've heard really good things about this. It's always good to try a new sponge. Some people get so used to the Beauty Blender, they forget that there are other sponges that are better and less expensive than the Beauty Blender. So I use the Beauty Blender as well, but I also use other sponges just to, you know, get some variety. You never know, because Beauty Blenders are expensive. So I went ahead and picked this up. It was less than $5, I know for sure. So I grabbed this at Ulta. I actually grabbed this at Ulta.com. I picked up this Velvet Blurring Primer by Becca. So I picked this up just to test out like the blurring effect to see exactly how that works. Also from Ulta, I'm not sure if you caught my last video, but I picked up the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in my new-ish video, or trying new-ish or using new-ish video. I'm in the shade Macau. Like I said in the video, I had samples of this, and I really like the sample. This foundation is great foundation for oily skin. If you have oily skin, you may want to try it out. I just love the coverage of it. It's amazing. And to me, it's a high-end foundation for myself. Yeah, I really love this foundation. I've tried it out a couple of times, and I love it. If you all have tried this foundation out, just let me know down in the comment section. I want to see, you know, how y'all feeling it, because it's slowly but surely becoming one of my faves. I'm just being real. Also, from my last video, this is another product I picked up from Ulta. This is the Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder. This is the setting powder that I'm going to be using to set my entire face. This is in the shade Warm Saffron. I was concerned that it was going to be too light, because I think I can use it under my eyes as well. So, actually all over my entire face if I'm just doing something super natural. So, I'm going to keep trying to use this. I did like it. I think I like it better than the Laura Mercier medium to deep one that she has, but we'll keep trying this one out. But I picked that up again. That was in the shade Warm Saffron. I picked up 2 mascaras. These claim to be similar mascaras, but I wanted to do like a test on them. So this one is the Better Than Sex mascara. I got this from Ulta. It was actually 50% off, so I'm not finna pass that up. I'm sorry. This is one of their highly raved about mascaras. I mean, I hear people talking about Better Than Sex all the time, and I've just never tried it myself. I think I had like a little mini sample of it, but I use that in my kit. So, and this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, and both of these are in the shade Black is Black. That's Black is Black, and then this is in the shade Black. Both of them are black, so I wanted to try those 2 out. Also from Ulta, I picked up like 5 of these Ideal Duos when they were on sale. Oh my god, I love a good sale. Y'all know I keep saying it, but when I tell you catch a sale, you good. These are like a pigment and a glitter in one, and I have been loving these, using them on my clients. I've used a couple of them. So basically it has like the primer here. So you put that on your lid. Then you can place this pressed pigment right on top of that. So I got, this one is in the shade Sticks and Stones. I picked up Maple. I think Disco is one of my favorite, and I don't even like silver like that, but I got Disco. This is Shell. And I also picked up Sunset, but I don't know where it is. I think it's in my kit, so I'll show that to y'all later on. It's like a gold. Also from Ulta, I picked up this Dazed and Confused Eye Gloss by NYX. It's in the shade Bad Blood. It matches the Vivid Brights one that I have. I wanted to see what that looked like. It said it's an eye gloss. NYX comes out with so much new stuff, I never know. But that's what it's saying it's supposed to look like. So we shall see. I can't wait to try that out. I was looking for something like a little bit lighter, but I think that's like one of the lightest ones that they had. Also from NYX, I picked up this Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss in the shade Sugar Mama. And it's just a really neutral gloss. I love a good neutral gloss. Next, I picked up this Dose of Colors gloss in the shade Can You Not. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not because it looks really light. I think I kind of sort of tried it on, but I don't know. But all I need is a good liner, but they smell like candy. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm going to try that out. I'll let y'all know about that one too. I have a video coming up like trying all new-ish, like I said before. And I'm gonna have to film another one. I picked up some Tarte lip paints from Ulta as well. This is in the shade Fortune. And that's it right there. A very muted brown shade. The shade Get It. It's a very cute summer shade, I think. And then I picked up Frenemy. This is also a lip paint. Y'all know how I feel about my deep tones. And the shade that I have on right now is a glossy lip paint, and it's in the shade Snap. Looks like a grayish, a purple grayish. I don't know what grayish is, but gray and beige mixed together, but purpley. And the last color I picked up is also a glossy lip paint. This is in the shade Slay, and it's a cute purple. I'm not good at describing these colors, so we're just gonna say purple, beige, pink, nude. So I got that. I thought I had got an orange one too, but I guess not. I also picked up this Farsali Volcanic Elixir Polynesian Beauty Oil. And this basically says, that you can wear this as like a beauty, like a night oil. Use it either day or night, which for the last 2 days I've been using it on my face while at work. The Sephora website says that it is hydrating overnight treatment used to nourish and condition the skin. They recommend you use it for overnight, but it can also be used as like a facial moisturizer. I would prefer to use this as a night oil. Like I said, I've used it for the last 2 days when I haven't worn makeup, and I've been perfectly fine. Like I haven't been overly oily or anything. I think I'm getting my oil under control, but I really love using night oils. I really love using night oils in general. just to put on my face. I don't put a moisturizer on my skin. I like to use oil. So I went ahead and picked this up. I'm not sure if y'all have heard of Far Sally before, but they recently, this is actually created by a YouTuber and her husband, and they've been around for quite a long time. I love using the oil on my skin at night. My face is able to soak up the oil and get the nourishment that it needs, because the moisturizer that I use is the oil-free moisturizer. So you still, even though you're oily, you still need to make sure your skin is hydrated. So I want to use this. Like I said, I've been using it for the last 2 days and I really like it. Lastly, I picked up 4, I know I got 3 right here. I picked up 4 liquid lipsticks from Anastasia Beverly Hills. She was having a buy one get one free, no, buy one get one half off sale. No, it was a buy one get one free sale. So I picked up 4 of these. These are normally $20, so I got 4 for $40. But like I said, I think the other one is in my purse, to be honest with you, and we're not even gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna show you the ones that I have. This first shade is Trust Issues. This next shade is Requiem. Yeah, gorgeous. Y'all look how beautiful that is. Ooh, I can't wait to wear that. And then this next shade is Current. So I'm gonna swatch all 3 for y'all on this other hand. I've never had to swatch my other hand, but we're gonna see. So here are the swatches. This is Trust Issues, Requiem, and then Current. So yeah, I picked those up. I forgot the last shade I got. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. That's all I have to show you. Hopefully that'll be all I have to show you for a while, but you know how it goes. If you all have any questions about anything that I showed you, just let me know down in the comment section. I'll do my best to list them down in the description bar as well. That way you all can see exactly, at least some, not all the shades or anything like that, but just some of the particular items themselves. If you haven't seen my previous videos, go ahead and check those out, and I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Bye, beauties.
She got white written all over. She got white written all over.